Umphathiswa wesebe labasetyhini ulutsha nabantu abakhubazekileyo Unkosikazi Maite Nkoana-Mashabane uthi abasetyhini kweli baphila phantsi koloyiko kwayinto ebuhlungu babulawa ngabantu bekufanele kuba babathanda.
I'm told we've become number one in the negative sense on the GBVF in particular, femicide in the world. Hence, we have decided that 16 days is for our commitment to UN programs. But 365 days, South African women must feel and be safe, women and children.
Umxholo walo nyaka ukuxhotyiswa kwabasetyhini kwezoqoqosho.
Our focus with this 16 days of violence against women and children should be to continue our efforts of ending all forms of violence against women. The theme for this year's campaign is Women's Economic Justice for a Non-Violent and Non-Sexist South Africa.
Umphathiswa wamapolisa mnumzana Bheki Cele uthi ngabasetyhini abangamawaka-8 abadlwengilweyo kweli kwezinyanga zintathu zidlulileyo.
Over 8,000 rape cases were reported to the police in those 3 months alone. 8,000 of women were raped in 3 months alone. Yes, it's gone down, but that 8,000 is a number.
Uthi uxhalabile ukuba iziganeko zokumila kunje zenzeka nasezinkonzweni ngoku.
Many of the rapes occurred in public places such as parks, beaches, parking areas or open fields, which means women are not safe everywhere they go. But worryingly, ministers, they happened at the educational institutions, workplace and churches. I heard you calling on churches. I have a double eye of looking at churches of late, I must say.
Uqele uphinde wahlaba ikhwelo kumapolisa kuba angawajikisa amaxhoba xa efuna uncedo.